My name is Michael Rashid. I'm the owner of Rashid Garage Doors. I started as a helper in 1977 till now. In October this year will be 41 years. We're prompt, efficient, we're priced right. We use high quality materials. We have over 800 garage doors in stock, over 2,000 LiftMaster openers in stock. We carry Safeway doors. They're manufactured in Warsaw, Indiana. They make the real nice merchandise. They're high quality, like the insulated doors. It's 2 layers. And we carry LiftMaster operators. There's the #1 professional installed opener in the world.